to get more visibility on Instagram? In this video, I will teach you how to get more visibility and increase your reach with Instagram guides on Instagram. Hi, I'm Karma. I help entrepreneurs scale their business to 10K months with proven online marketing systems and strategies. So Instagram Guide is new. And what is Instagram Guide? Instagram Guides is almost like Pinterest and almost like a blog. So they're basically guides. You're able to put a bunch of different places or a bunch of different products or posts together and make a guide from them. So at the end of this video, you will learn how to use Instagram Guides to increase your visibility on Instagram. So Instagram Guides is one of the newest features of Instagram. And as I always tell my clients, you need to use the newest feature of any social media platform you are on, because every social media platform gives priority on ranking the newest features. And if you use these features, that means that you're almost like promoting the newest thing to other people. And make sure to use SEO. Make sure to use your keywords. Instagram is giving more and more priority to SEO. And you need to make sure that you are adding your keywords to your titles and your description while you're creating Instagram guides. So if you like this type of information, if you want to make more sales online, subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon to get the notifications on the latest videos I'll be making.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram guides. If you already used it, it would be under your bio, the little book looking sign. But if you haven't used it yet, then you would have to, I'll show you. Let me switch to another account. I have multiple accounts that I test things on. So like this is an account, you don't see the same book sign because I never used the guides on this account. So if you go to the left top corner of the screen and you'll see the plus sign and click on that plus sign, you will see guides and click on that. And you can use it for places, products, and posts. So you can make this like a travel guide for places. When you click on places, it's going to show you the places that you're around. Or for the products, it's going to show you either your products or people you follow. And you can always put other people's products in your guide too. Like if you're doing like a Christmas gift guide and from different product makers or sellers or whatever. What I use it for most is the posts. So I click on the post and I select the ones I want to put on my guide. Let's say I want to post a guide for motivation, and I'm gonna click on the ones that I like for motivation the most. So once I select those, I'm gonna say next. And here it's gonna ask me to fill out the information. So you're gonna add a title to your guide, and this is gonna be entrepreneur inspiration or motivation, let's say. You can change the cover photo. By the way, as you see, cover photo is a different size, so try to see which makes more sense. And I changed the cover photo. And what is this guide about? So these are important because Instagram is now starting to use SEO, search engine optimization, and keywords. So that's why your keywords are important. Guide to motivate. Oh, I can't type. Motivate entrepreneurs. Blah, blah, blah. And then you're gonna put a title and description about each of those posts explaining what these are about. So it creates a guide of all of these posts for you, right? And when you go back, what this looks like is, I'm not going to post this right now because I haven't filled it out. So I'm going to discard it. And what it's going to look like is, I'm going to go to my other account. Here is, let's say, a guide that I made before. And here, entrepreneur inspiration. This is about inspirational quotes for entrepreneurs. Become a man of value, Einstein. Be the change. So apparently what I did here, I just put what they're about, right? What you can always optimize it better, but this is what it's gonna look like. So when you click on each post, it's gonna send you to the post I have, and it's gonna let you read all of these relevant related posts. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to get or how to create Instagram guides if you don't have this plus sign, or if you don't have this guide under create new in your account. Not all the accounts have it yet. So what you can do is you can go to your Explore on Instagram, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to shop. And the Instagram shop, you're going to swipe until you see guides. Here's the guides, okay? You're going to click on view guides. Especially if you have a product-based business, this is very, very good for you guys. So look, this looks like almost like a Pinterest, right? But it's almost like a blog too. So let's say we're going to select one of the guides, and let's look. See, this person made a guide of their routine. See, their different recommendations of products. And as you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see create guide, and click on that create guide, and it's gonna give you the options to create your own guide. So there you have it. You can just select your post and create a guide now, even if you don't have the icon for it.